We received a great question from a tester who is trying to build their software testing career. And their question was, is it sufficient to just get one AdSQA micro-credential, or should I be getting multiple micro-credentials? First, I would easily say, just start with one micro-credential. If you've ever taken a software testing certification exam, you'll be surprised at how easy it is to focus in on one area, really understand that area, and hopefully pass the exam. Most people find it's a much easier approach because they can really hone in on just that one smaller topic. The question, though, really is that best for my career? Well, first of all, I would say that if you are new to testing, you will find that to really round out your knowledge, you will need more than one software testing micro-credential. For example, if you've taken test approaches, you would also want to take test techniques. There are other micro-credentials as well, and they cover various topics, many of which are complementary, which could then also lead to a stack. So a stackable micro-credential might be one that combined with others leads to a full certification. And we do have that. For example, if you earn 8 software testing micro-credentials in a specific stack from AdSQA, that would lead to the AdSQA Testing Essentials certification, which is a full certification and very prestigious as well. And that is a nice way to get to that full certification because it allows you to take one small topic at a time and build your way up. And many people find that to be a better approach for their personal learning style and for the way that they like to take exams. I would also submit that for those who are fairly experienced testers, software testing micro-credentials from AdSQA are really an interesting and fun way to explore new software topics. For example, maybe you haven't learned about performance testing in the past, or maybe you'd like to round out your skill set a little bit with some usability testing or touch into the area of cybersecurity testing. The micro-credentials aren't designed to be deeply into a given topic. So what they do is they provide, if you will, a window into that topic and give you some basic terminology and knowledge of that area. And if it's interesting to you, then you can pursue a full certification that we offer through AdSQA or ISTQB certifications. And that's a really great way to continue to develop your career. The micro-credentials allow you to get that little taste of that area without putting too much time in. If you decide, well, I'm really not that interested in cybersecurity, well, then you didn't have to go down the full path of taking the security testing certification, for example. But if you did like performance testing, well, then that's just one small step that really gives you a head start on the performance testing certification. So it all works out pretty well. I will also say that from an employer standpoint, when you look at the CV or resume of a current employee or a prospective employee that has multiple micro-credentials, you can also see this on LinkedIn because we offer a free way to connect your credentials to LinkedIn, and with micro-credentials, you can add them directly as well. It's really impressive from an employer standpoint when you see someone that has taken multiple micro-credential exams and passed them, because it shows that they're engaged in their career, they're trying to improve their knowledge and their skill sets, and they are staying on top of some of the cutting edge technologies, some of the cutting edge domains, if you will. as well as various software techniques and approaches. So there really is no reason to probably stop at just one software testing micro-credential. But I would certainly start with just one. And then after you've taken and passed that software testing micro-credential exam, then explore, build a stack, gain a full certification, or explore new testing topics and areas. I think you'll find it to be very helpful and a lot of fun as well.